Today is the garden day. I have a lot to do in the garden. The weather is cool, which is nice in Houston, Texas. I love that. Let me flip the camera. Wait. I used to have all the names of the plants, but now it's gone. I hope that I have record somewhere in my iPad. I'm hoping. But this survived, which is nice. It just has a little bit here dead leaves. I will clean it up. The palm tree doesn't look so good, but I will keep it for now. See, I have one here and I have one here. They are not happy. This one, it doesn't have any life there. I don't know, but these bushes start to come back. They were so huge, but at least they are not totally dead. But the good news that my gardenia start to bloom again, and I am so happy. So happy. I thought that they are totally dead because they were just sticks, and those are start to bloom again. This was the fastest bushes came back. I will trim them, and this one, it looks pretty good too, but it needs to be trimmed. Lemon and the mandarin, which they are doing so good, but need to be trimmed. And here the grass here, it's, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Some survived and some not, but lots of leaves are dead and need to be cleaned anyway. And maybe we'll sit again here tonight. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do, guys. Wish me luck. I will go grab my basket from inside. Gloves. My nails are not that great, but better than nothing. Goes with you now till the blowing guy. Sorry about that. Till he's gone. Bye. This is my first phase working here today for like 6 hours, 5 hours. It's better, but it still needs lots of work. But at least all my bushes are alive, which is good. This palm tree, trying. This one, I don't know if it will survive or not. Yeah, I didn't have time to do anything in this half L. Maybe tomorrow, but better.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with